Guys, DJ here, the ADU Pro at our project on Clydesdale in the city of Moreno Valley. And as I always say in most of my videos, a lot has happened since our last video. Scratch coat is up on this one, and for you first-time watchers, there's multiple layers to stucco. There is the lath and paper. You've seen that in the previous videos with that black paper and the wire, where that's a vapor barrier, and the wire holds the stucco up to the wall. Jiminy Christmas, it's early this morning. And you can see this scratch coat, and they call it scratch coat because it looks like you put it on with your nails. This has to cure for a certain amount of time, and then I believe it's 7 to 10 days. And then there's a brown coat that goes up, which is the next smoother coat that goes up. And then the final coat is the color coat, which matches the existing residence. Here in the Moreno Valley, there's a lath inspection, a scratch coat inspection, a brown coat inspection, and then that's it on the exterior. Kind of redundant, ridiculous in my opinion, because most of the other cities, they want to inspect the lath and then they expect you to wait for the drying time, and then it's just on the final inspection. Also, interior paint is done, guys, and check this paint color out. Ready? Here we go. So interior paint's done. We do a flat on a ceiling, a eggshell, or that's what we call it, eggshell. So it doesn't show fingerprints and wipes off. And then a semi-gloss and our trim on our doors. We are now also working on the tile. The client has chose a really nice tile, smaller set, but that's gonna look really nice when it's all finished. And they are delivering our kitchen today. So guys, any questions about building any process of an ADU, please DM us at the link below or give us a call at 800-929-9812, and myself or one of our wonderful staff will be more than happy to answer any questions you have. Guys, thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. DJ, the ADU Pro.